Good day, everyone. My name is Fred Indeche, and today I'm presenting on global climate change, air pollution, and waste management strategies. These environmental challenges are among the most critical issues facing the world today. Human activities such as industrialization, deforestation, transportation, and improper waste disposal have significantly contributed to environmental degradation. In this presentation, I will explain the global climate change, discuss major air pollutants and their effects, and highlight the importance of effective waste management strategies in protecting our environment. Global climate change refers to long-term changes in the Earth's temperature and weather patterns. Although climate variation always existed naturally, modern climate change is largely driven by human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas. These activities release greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, which trap heat and cause the Earth's temperature to rise. This process is known as greenhouse effect. As a result, the world is experiencing rising temperatures, changing rainfall patterns, and more extreme weather events. There are several major causes of global climate change. These causes include burning fossil fuels for electricity, transportation, and industrial production, releasing carbon dioxide, one of the greenhouse gases. The other cause is deforestation. Trees naturally absorb carbon dioxide, but when forests are cut down, the carbon remains in the atmosphere. Another cause is agricultural activities, particularly livestock farming, which produces methane gas. Methane is a powerful greenhouse gas that contributes significantly to global warming. Finally, rapid urbanization and industrialization increase energy consumption and pollution, further accelerating climate change. Climate change has serious consequences for both the environment and human life. One effect is rising global temperatures, which lead to melting glaciers and polar ice caps. Another impact is rising sea levels, which threaten coastal communities and ecosystems. Climate change also contributes to more frequent and intense extreme weather events, including floods, droughts, and hurricanes. Lastly, changes in temperature and rainfall patterns can affect agriculture and food security, especially in developing countries. Air pollution refers to presence of harmful substances in the atmosphere that can damage human health and environment. These pollutants can come from natural resources such as volcanic eruptions, but most air pollution today results from human activities. Common sources include vehicle emission, industrial process, burning fossil fuels, and waste burning. Air pollution is considered one of the largest environmental health risks globally, contributing to millions premature deaths each year. Several pollutants significantly affect air quality. One major pollutant is carbon monoxide, which is produced from incomplete combustion of fuel and can reduce oxygen delivery in the human body. Another pollutant is sulfur dioxide, mainly released from power plants and factories. It contributes to acid rain and respiratory problems. Nitrogen oxides are produced from vehicle emissions and contribute to smog formation. Finally, particulate matter, which consists of tiny particles in the air, can penetrate deep into the lungs and cause serious health problems such as asthma and heart disease. It is important to have waste management because it refers to treatment, collection, recycling, and disposal of waste materials. Proper waste management is essential for protecting both the environment and public health. When waste is not properly managed, it can lead to soil contamination, water pollution, and the spread of diseases. Additionally, poor managed waste contribute to greenhouse gas emission, particularly methane and landfills. Therefore, effective waste management plays a key role in environmental sustainability. Waste management strategies that can improve waste management. The most important concept is the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reducing waste means minimizing the amount of waste produced. Reusing involves using multiple items instead of discussing them. And recycling transforms waste material into new products. Another strategy is composting, which converts organic waste into nutrient-rich soil. Government can also implement policies that promote waste separation, recycling, and sustainable waste disposal. Addressing climate change, air pollution, and waste management requires collective global action. One important solution is transition to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydropower. Government can implement strong environmental education to reduce emission and promote sustainability. Individuals can contribute to reducing energy consumption, recycling, waste support, and environmental friendly practices. Education, public awareness are also crucial in encouraging responsible environmental behavior. To conclude, global climate change, air pollution, and poor waste management are the interconnected environmental challenges that threaten our planet. Human activities have significantly contributed to these problems, but through sustainable practices and responsible policies, we can reduce their impact. By adopting renewable energy, improving waste management system, and reducing pollution, we can help create a healthier and more sustainable environment for future generations. Thank you very much. Zimisha.